Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making salmon patties with cheesy grits. We're going to top them with a fried egg and hot sauce. It's good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're going to love this dish. Stay tuned. Today you'll need 1 can of salmon, 1 egg, a heaping spoonful of mayonnaise, a heaping teaspoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 squeeze of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 2 to 3 packs of cheddar cheese instant grits, and 1 medium-sized onion. The first thing we'll do is dice the onion. Growing up, we used to eat salmon patties with white rice for breakfast. Mom used to make it before we went off to school, and it was always one of my favorites. Let's give a shout out to all the moms out there who's still getting up and cooking breakfast for their children. Open and drain your can of salmon. Now keep in mind, this won't smell pleasant. I can't smell, so it doesn't bother me, but the fish odor in this is very strong. But it's fully cooked, and we're just going to get the bones, the backbone, and some of the skin out. You can leave that in there. It's edible and actually is full of nutrients, but I just prefer it out. This has been cooked long enough that the bones are really soft, and once you mash it up, you really don't know they're in there. But again, I just don't like them. Okay, once we've got most of the bones out, we're going to just put this in a mixing bowl. We're going to get a fork and break that up. Mash it up good, and if there's any bones left in there, you'll break those into tiny soft pieces that you'll never know are there. Once that's done, we're going to add about half an onion. I'm making 2 batches today, so I'm saving 1 half onion for the second batch. We'll give that a mix. Okay, from there, we're going to add a little bit of garlic seasoning, a little bit of pepper, if you'd like to, you could add salt here as well. Okay, now we're going to add 1 egg. Mix that in to help get the salmon wet. Okay, now we're going to add a spoonful of mayonnaise and stir again. Now you can add parsley or oregano or Italian seasoning here if you'd like, or Cajun seasoning if you want to make it a little warm, cayenne pepper. We make ours a little tame, but it turns out really, really good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add some flour, and we have to kind of do this just by judging when this looks like, and when you test it, if it'll make a good patty, if it'll stick together. We'll start with 1 heaping spoonful. That's a small teaspoon. That may be enough. You can test that by taking it and seeing if it'll hold in the form of a patty. That looks like that'll be fine. Okay, in a frying pan heated to medium high, we'll add a little bit of olive oil. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to shimmer. So we'll start adding our salmon patties. Now you don't have to worry if these don't come out to the same size. They're already fully cooked. We're going to brown them, and that's all we need to worry about. A gentle press will help make sure you get even browning. That looks perfect. Make sure to move the oil under the patty as you flip it. We're going to fill our instant grits just to the top of the grits with some water, and we'll microwave those according to the directions on the package. Okay, in my wife's bowl, I'm adding a spoonful of homemade pimento cheese, and I'll mix that up. And add some butter. Okay, now we'll remove the salmon patties. We'll mix up the butter into cheese grits with the pimento cheese. We'll add just a little bit more water. Okay, the second batch I'm going to do the same way, except I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice and some salt to this one. This one's mine. I'm not on salt restriction, and I like a little lemon juice in mine that Susan and Mandy don't like. Please like, comment, and share. Just a squirt of lemon juice, not much. I'm frying an additional egg per serving to go over the top of our salmon patty. Okay, we're going to add a little cheese, a little butter, mix that up. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, we'll add our salmon patty, our fried egg. It's actually over easy. A little bit of hot sauce. And there you have it, salmon patty and grits.